10 hidden PS5 tips every player needs to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Bowl, the home for smart tech tips, gaming tricks, and everything PlayStation. Today, we're diving into 10 hidden PS5 features and tips that every player should know in 2025. Even if you owned your console for years, I guarantee you there's at least one feature here you didn't know existed. Alright, let's jump straight in. Tip number 1. Use voice commands like a pro. Searching for games on the PS5 can be slow if you're scrolling through menus or typing, but there's a faster, hands-free way. Voice commands. Just say, "Hey PlayStation," followed by whatever you want to do, like play Helldivers 2 or search for Spider-Man 2. Your console instantly brings up results or jumps right into the game. To enable this feature, head to Settings, Voice Commands, Enable. Once it's on, you'll see a small icon appear whenever your PS5 hears you. You can also say things like "Return to home" or "Turn off" to put the console to rest mode. It's simple, it's fast, and honestly, it makes your PS5 feel a little bit more futuristic. Tip number 2. Stop wasting storage on trophy videos. Every time you unlock a trophy, your PS5 automatically captures a screenshot and a short video clip. Cool idea, right? But here's the problem. These clips quietly pile up in your media gallery, eating dozens of gigabytes of storage. Some users have found hundreds of gigabytes wasted on these tiny clips. Luckily, you can easily stop it. Go to Settings, Captures, Trophies, and choose what you want to save. You can disable videos completely or limit captures to only gold, silver, or platinum trophies. Each 15-second clip takes around 20 to 40 megabytes, so turning this off can instantly free up to hundreds of megabytes, even gigabytes of space. And remember, trophy captures can only be saved to your internal storage, not your external SSD. So if you're running low on space, this was one of the quickest fixes. Tip number 3. Mute your mic automatically. Did you know that your DualSense controller's microphone is always on by default? That means every time you boot up your PS5, your mic is live, even before you realize it. To avoid awkward moments in game lobbies or background chatter being heard, go to Game Settings, Sound, Microphone, and change microphone status when logged in to mute. Now, your mic starts muted every time. The orange LED on the controller tells you it's off. Here's a bonus. Press and hold the mute button on the controller to instantly mute all audio, not just your mic. It's perfect if you need to silence quickly without grabbing your TV remote. Tip number 4. Add more storage the smart way. Running out of space? You've got two options. First, the external SSD. Simply plug it into your PS5 via USB. You can store and play PS4 games directly from it, or store PS5 games for later transfer. Second, for full performance, install your M.2 SSD inside your PS5. Just remove the console's cover, open the expansion slot, and slide it in. You can add up to 8 terabytes of extra space. And unlike any other external hard drive, you can play PS5 games directly from it. If you play a lot of titles, use the external SSD for storage and the internal M.2 for your main library. It's the best of both worlds. Tip number 5. Build and use your wish list. Ever seen a game you want, but don't have the time to play or budget to buy? Add it to your wish list. From any game page, hit Add to Wish List. This not only keeps all of your games of interest in one list, but also notifies you when the price drops. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Otherwise, you'll miss those sweet sales. You can even manage your wish list through the PlayStation app on your phone, which is often faster and easier to navigate than the console store. Before we jump into the next tip, if you're learning something new today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the next PS5 guide or tech breakdown here on the Tech Bowl. Alright, let's keep going. Tip number 6. Adjust or disable your startup beep. That loud beep when you turn on your PS5, we've all heard it, and it's loud. Perfect during the day, but not ideal if you're gaming late at night. You can actually lower the volume or disable it completely. Go to Settings, System, Beep, and choose your preferred volume. I like keeping it on low. Still gives that satisfying startup sound without waking up the whole house. Tip number 7. Use dual controllers for assistance mode. PlayStation recently added a feature called Assistance Play. It lets you use a second controller to control the same game under one account. This is perfect if you're helping a friend, a younger sibling, or even your child with a tough level. To enable it, go to Settings, Accessibility, Controllers, use Second Controller for assistance, and turn it on. Both controllers now share control of the game, and you can jump in at any time to help. Note, this feature only works with regular DualSense controllers, not the DualSense Edge. Tip number 8. Secure your account with passkeys. Sony has finally added passkey support, meaning you can sign in securely without typing passwords. Instead, your phone's Face ID or Touch ID becomes your login. It's faster, safer, and you'll never have to reset a forgotten password again. Go to Settings, Account Management, Security, Sign in with Passkey to set it up. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your PlayStation account in 2025. While you're there, take a few minutes to check your privacy settings. You can hide your game activity, trophies, and even appear offline before logging in. Tip number 9. Take advantage of PlayStation Stars. If you're not using PlayStation Stars, you're literally leaving free rewards on the table. Launched in 2022, it's a rewards program that gives you points and digital collectibles for playing games or completing challenges. You can redeem points for PS Store credits, games, or in-game items. Open the PlayStation app, go to your profile, and tap PlayStation Stars. You'll find a list of current campaigns and rewards. Some are as easy as playing a game you already own. For example, a 5,000 point reward is equal to around $20 in store credit. Free money, just for gaming. So if you haven't already activated it, do it today. Tip number 10. Keep your PS5 in rest mode. And finally, let's talk about rest mode. Instead of shutting down your PS5 completely, leave it in rest mode. Here's why. It keeps your games updated automatically, so when you turn on your console, you're ready to play instantly. No waiting for massive updates. To make sure it works properly, go to Settings, Power Savings, Features available in rest mode, and enable Stay Connected to the Internet, and enable turning on PS5 from network. You'll also be able to download games remotely and use Remote Play anytime, even when you're away from your console. And there you have it, 10 hidden PS5 tips every player should know in 2025. Whether you're optimizing storage, protecting your account, or just making your console smarter, these features can completely change how you use your PS5 day to day. Which one of these tips are new to you? Drop your favorite in the comments. I read every reply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech and gaming guides right here on the Tech Pole. And if you want to take your setup to the next level, check out our video on 10 ways to improve your gaming setup. It's linked right on the screen. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gaming.